Alright, hello guys, you welcome to my channel. This is Timzy FX. Okay, as you all know, this is a new channel and I'll be making videos on this channel related to the financial market. I'll be explaining and walking you guys through on how to trade forex. Okay, so if you're a forex trader or you're new to the forex industry, you want to start making profit, you want to start trading forex and you don't have anyone to put you through, I would advise you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, because I'll be dropping very useful information regards to trading forex on this channel. Okay, I would like you to stay and watch to the end of this video, because I have real exciting offers for you guys. Like, you're going to love this. Okay, so I should have been making videos like how to learn forex as a beginner, but I choose to make this video first on this channel. As you can see, this is my first video on this channel. I choose to make this video on this channel because I've got something for you guys. I know you will love it if you're interested in trading forex. Okay, so let me just head straight to what I've got. All right, so I'm sure most of you would have heard about Headway Brokers. All right, Headway Brokers, these guys it's a brokerage firm. So they just came out and they're actually offering forex traders a bonus account. This is a free bonus account. So if you want to start trading, or you've got the trading knowledge already and you don't have funds to start trading, all right, so I would advise you to click the link below this video, and you're going to register for an account for Headway on Headway Brokers. All right, so I'm going to make a video step by step. I'll walk you through on how to register and verify your account before you have this bonus account to start trading with. All right, so this bonus account is an account that you will give you. You don't have to pay anything. All you just have to do is just to create an account with Headway Brokers, and they're going to give you a bonus account of $111 to start trading. And once you are profitable on this account, you can make withdrawals and it's your money. All right, but terms and conditions apply. All right, so I'll share my screen to show you how you can set up your account with Headway Brokers on your phone, and I'll make another video to show you how to set it up on your laptop. Okay, so this first video I'm making is how to set it up on your phone and download the app. So you just click the link on this video, below this video, to start creating your account. And it's not just the bonus account that is the deal. All right, they have other amazing offer, which I'm explaining more on the video. So you have to stay and watch this video to the end, because you'll be getting vital information, something that is going to help you. All right, so without much ado, I will just be sharing my phone screen right now, so I will explain to you guys how this goes down. All right, so once you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so all you have to do is just to if you don't have an account, you just click on the email and on the Google Mail and just put in so I don't have to go through that. I'll just click on login and I'll just put in my email address and my password. All right, so I just put in my password and I'm in. So once you created your account, this is how it's going to look like. All right, I'm sure you're seeing my screen, and you go to after you create your account, what you have to do next is to verify your account. You hit on the verification button, and as you can see, it says your profile is verified. All right, I verified my profile. So what you'll be needing to verify your profile is just your NIN card. Yeah, that's your name card and the number. You just type in the numbers and you snap the front and the back picture of your card and you upload it on the website. So your profile will just get verified. Okay, and I'm going to walk you guys through other benefits because there are other, it's not just the bonus account you'll be having here. There are other benefits you'll be making with Headway Brokers, like, okay. Alright, so if you come to this section here, so as you all can see, this is my bonus. This is the $111 right resting on my bonus account. So once you get your account verified, you receive your own bonus. Okay, so all you have to do is just to link this account to your MT5 or MT4 to start trading with it. Alright, you just copy the login and generate a password, and you just type it on your MT5 or MT4. So if you don't know how to log in accounts to your MT5 or MT4, you can just say it on the comment section. I will make a separate video for that. Okay, so as you can see, this is real, and we should just grab this opportunity, and this is not going to last. As you can see right here, it says the bonus will end in 5 days, so we all have from now to the next 5 days to get your account and start trading with it. Okay, so that's it. This is my dashboard, this is my account, this is my IB area. What it says is, say welcome to the partner workspace. Here you can find your referral link and check current partnership status, IB wallet balance, and detailed statistics of your work. Attract new clients to Headway and monitor your progress in the IB area. Right, so this is just trying to let us know that they have referral bonuses. So if you refer anyone to Headway Brokers, you'll be making 30% commission per referral. So anyone you refer, you can refer your friends, your relative, like anyone around you, because this is a free money. Okay, why I love this brokers very well is that they are almost like SNES. You can literally fund this account, like you can fund your account on Headway through your local bank and withdraw through your local bank too. Like you can withdraw and they will credit you to your local bank, unlike most brokers that you have to withdraw through your wallet address. Like they can send the money through your Nigerian bank account. Okay, and you can also fund it with your Naira account. So that's why I love it. All right, so and you can also fund it through crypto, through USDT and Bitcoin and all that. All right, so you can go through all this to your convenience. Okay, and there's also a gift shop. All right, so once you start trading with Headway, you can stand a chance to win any of these prizes. Okay, you can see them on my screen. You can stand a chance to win any of these prizes. That is based on your performance as a trader. Your trading performance should be calculated in crowns. Okay, so if you make up to 13,000 crowns, chance of winning any of these items. Okay, so you stand a chance of winning these items. All right, and Headway Brokers, they also have copy trading. So if you're new to the forex space and you don't know how to trade, you can actually copy trade other traders. Here you will be an investor. Now you're copying the trade of professional traders. Okay, so all you have to do is just to go through their profile, and you just go through their trading statistics. If it's what is good to you, if it resonates to your understanding and your trading strategy, then you can just copy their trades and trade with them. If they are trading gold, you'll be trading gold too. If they're making profit on gold, you'll be making profit on gold. They're trading GBP USD, you'll be trading GBP USD. So that's how this copy trading works. All right, so let's go to the next one, and we have the last package they have here on Headway. This is really amazing. Like I've not seen anything like this before. All right, so these guys are giving us a free demo account. Okay, this is the gold let's gold demo contest. So it's like a demo account, but this demo account, after trading, if you trade successfully, they will picking 10 winners. All right, let me go down into detail so you will understand what I mean here. All right, so it's demo account, initial balance 10,000. So if after this contest, they will picking 10 traders. So each of these traders, after trading the demo account, if each of these traders, from the 10th to the 6th trader, will be going home with $50 each. All right, the 5th trader will be going home with $75. So the 4th trader will be going home with $100. The 3rd trader will be going home with $200, and the 2nd trader will be going home with $500, and the 1st trader will be going home with $1,000. So this is a very good. So if you couldn't make it on the 100 and on the bonus account, you can also make it from this contest. So there are leverages of opportunities here you can leverage on in making profits. So I don't see a case if you're trading or you have the knowledge again and you say you don't have funds to trade. All right, that is bizarre. So I would like you guys to just click on the link below this video to get an account with Headway Brokers. These guys are amazing. All right, the bonus account is limited for 6 days. Okay, so that's why you need to hurry and click on this link and read and get your account and get your money funded, get your account funded from Headway and start trading. Okay, because from now until the 24th of January, the bonus account will end. All right, so it's best you grab this opportunity now and let's make something out of it. All right, you can share this to your friends and family and just grab the opportunity. It's free money, you're not paying anything to get it. All right, and as you can see, this is a new YouTube channel, and I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, because I'll be dropping more videos, very useful videos for you guys, and I'll be walking you guys through on how to trade forex, on how to analyze forex, like step by step. I'll be dropping more videos on that. So it's best you just encourage me by subscribing and following this channel. All right, thank you guys, see you on my next video.